Hello children, freedom struggle, that lesson we are learning now. In the last class we learned about the Indian National Congress and about moderates we learned, then about the radicals also we learned. Today we are going to learn about the Muslim League. See children, that time British were ruling in India. They want to divide us among as a Hindu and Muslim, and they want to rule us. They divided the Bengal on the basis of Hindu, Muslim only. On communal basis only they divided. That also we learned. So when this Indian National Congress established, since that time they want to divide the National Congress Party. They always encouraged the Muslim people to separate make your own organization, separate organization, to defend your interest. You are minority people, so Hindus are the majority one. Like that they used to encourage them to separate from the Indian National Congress. When National Congress Party divided as a moderates and radicals, that time they insisted the Muslim people also that you are minority one, so better you make your own organization, separate organization. Like in this way, they always encourage them to make their own association. Once what happened in the year 1905, it is 6 cities. In the year 1906, all the Muslim community members, they met the Viceroy of India, Lord Minto. They met him. They had a meeting with the Viceroy of India, Lord Minto. In that, they insisted the Muslim community to make their own association. So, as a result of this meeting, in the year 1906, in Dhaka, it is in Bangladesh, capital city of Dhaka in Bangladesh is Dhaka. There they established the Muslim League, that is the association of the Muslims. That one they established. That means they divided India as a Hindu-Muslim children. Divide and rule, that policy they are using. British were using that one. So now Muslim League also came into existence. Otherwise, only Indian National Congress, that party only was there. Yes. Bengal they divided in the year 1905. That one you know that. Lord Curzon divided. So radicals were very much anger on the British. So what happened? They want to protest. They want to show their anger against the partition of Bengal. That Surat crisis is there, children. It is based on that Bengal partition only. That one I am going to teach now. Yes. What happened? That radicals, they want to show their anger on British, that they divided the India on a communal basis. They divided the Bengal on communal basis. That one they want to protest. So what happened? They started the prohibition of the foreign goods and encouraged the Swadeshi goods. They started prohibiting the foreign goods. They started burning the foreign goods. That one, all the radicals started this one. But moderates already we learned children, they are not using any violence method. They are very soft one. By pleading or agitation, they want to convince the British government. That method is different. But radicals, they want some violent method only. So what happened? These moderates they want to do that agitation or what the protest they are doing against the foreign goods. That one they want only in the Bengal. But radicals want throughout India. They want this protest throughout the India. So difference of opinion started between the moderates and the radicals. Moderates were not liking the violence, so they don't want to spread this agitation beyond the Bengal. But radicals want throughout India. So the difference started and a clash also started between the radical, misunderstanding, difference of opinion, all this one started. So as a result, in the year 1907, there was a Congress party session was held in Surat. Surat is a place. There they held the Congress session. In that, because of Bengal only and the protest of foreign goods, there was a difference of opinion between the moderates and the radicals. In that session, in the year 1907, that anger was burst out and the Indian National Congress Party was split into two. It is divided as a moderates and radicals. Like this way, it splitted. All the radicals who were against the moderates, they came out of the Congress Party. As a radicals only, as a revolutionary leaders only, they started freedom fight against the British. Follow children? Split means radicals came out of the Congress Party. So it is divided. So when it split, when the radicals came out of the Congress Party, British become very angry on the radicals and they started very hard punishment to the radicals. Some were hanged, someone sent to the jail. Like that, they taken very strict action against the radicals. Several were sent to the jail, children, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak given the punishment of black water punishment. Kala Pani punishment it is called, no children? That one, black water punishment. That one they given. And radicals also become very much politically active. Now they become still more strong to fight against the British. And when the Muslim League also established now Muslims started taking more representation in the legislature because now Muslims are in favor of British. Because of British encouragement only they formed their own association. So they also started getting the representations in the legislature. Yes, this is all about the Surat crisis. Crisis means it is a difficult time, children. Why means Indian National Congress was split. Only one party, but it is divided as a moderates and radicals. That is one more bad effect on the Indian political system, we can say. See, when this Congress party split, radicals become more active. Some radicals are taking the punishment. In that time only, in the meantime only, First World War was broke out. It is in the year 1914, the war broke out and Lokmanya Tilak, Annie Besant, they organized the Home Rule movement in the year 1916. 1916, they started the Home Rule movement. That is Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant, Theosophical Society President children. Do you remember that one? Home Rule movement. Home Rule means our government only. We should rule our land. That is called Home Rule. That one they started. Yes, this is about the Surat crisis. Next one is Rawat Act. In the year 1919, they made the Rawat Act, children. That one we will learn now. Yes, what is Rawat Act? See, this Rawat is a justice, children. He is a justice. Rawat is name. What happened? These radicals, when they came out of the Congress party, they become more politically active. Revolutionary acts according to their plan they started. Some violent methods they started. Violence they started. So to suppress all these radicals, revolutionary methods, British government formed one committee. In that committee, this Justice Rawat was the head of that one. Under his leadership only that committee was formed. So that Rawat Justice, he declared the one act, one law he made. So that law only called as the Rawat Act. In the year 1990, it is implemented. What it is? What are the conditions of this law? According to Rawat Act, if you suspected any person, So without any inquiry you can arrest him on the basis of suspicion without any reason. That is the first condition. Without giving reason why you arrest, they are taking him, why they are arresting without reason, just by suspicion. If you have doubt on any person, you can arrest him. That is the first condition. Second, if you want to search any person or any person's house, means search warrant should be there from the court. You have to produce that search warrant before searching his house or him. Then only you can search anyone's house. That is the law. But according to Robert Act, British can search any person's house or himself, that person, without any prior notice. Without giving any notice, you can search. Then third point is, if like this way any one person are there, arrested one on the basis of suspicion, means that person is not having any right to keep his lawyer. He can't make his own lawyer to defend himself. That is the third condition. How they are, children? Any person will obey this. All are against the law. According to their convenience, they made this law. So people opposed this Robert Act also. Followed, no? Next one is Jallianwala Bagh is there. Yes, 4 questions done. When did Muslim League establish? Write about Surat crisis. What happened in Surat? That one you have to write. Who started the Home Rule movement? Write about Robert Act. Yes, this one you write, children. Jallianwala Bagh and revolutionary nationalism is there. That one I will take in the next class. Okay, thank you.